Do you want to make photo stickers on WhatsApp? You can create stickers on WhatsApp with your photo with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to make photo stickers in WhatsApp. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. A photo sticker in WhatsApp is a custom sticker created from a personal photo. Custom photo stickers add a personal touch by using images of your choice, such as your own photos or custom graphics. To create stickers on WhatsApp with your photo. First, open WhatsApp on your mobile device. Once you are in the Chat tab, open a chat or group with someone you want to send the custom sticker. In the chat conversation screen, you will see the message input field at the bottom of the screen. Now, look for the emoji or sticker icon in the text input field and tap on it. You will see all the emojis available on WhatsApp. At the top of the emoji screen, tap on the sticker icon. This will display all the downloaded and recently used stickers. To create your own sticker from an image, click on the Create button at the beginning of the sticker section. Now, select a photo to remove the background and use as a sticker. Once selected, WhatsApp automatically removes the background from your picture. If you are satisfied with this sticker, tap on the Send button. Your sticker is now sent in the chat conversation. By following these simple steps, you can easily create and send your own personalized stickers on WhatsApp, making your chats more fun and unique.